Hello everyone, today we'll be making mirin. Mirin is a Japanese condiment. Normally it's used for glazing proteins, sometimes it's used as flavor enhancer, and sometimes it's used as a cocktail ingredient to impart umami and natural sweetness. To make mirin you only need 3 ingredients, which is koji rice, steamed rice, and some sort of an alcohol. Alcohol here works as a preservative and it imparts flavor. Koji rice works as a fermentation trigger. The enzymes of koji, which is mold, break down complex carbohydrates into simple sugars and proteins into amino acids. And glutamate is one of the amino acids and is normally attributed to umami taste. That's how you get sweet and umami condiment. To make mirin, you just need to combine all these 3 ingredients. You need 3 parts of alcohol. It can be pretty much any alcohol. Try not to use any acidic alcohol because the acidity may negatively impact the work of enzymes. Then you need 1 part of koji rice and 1 part of steamed rice. It's very important to steam the rice correctly. The rice should be a little bit dry but kind of translucent and kind of a little bit like a jelly. If you squeeze it with your fingers, it will become something like this. But it will not be mushy, it will not break. Then you just stir it thoroughly and leave for 3 months to ferment. You need to ferment it for 3 months at 22 to 27 degrees Celsius. After 3 months, you strain off the grain and you keep the liquid. Then you can keep this liquid in the fridge overnight to let the sediment fall to the bottom. And then you strain it again for a clearer condiment. Working with koji doesn't have to be intimidating, does it? Now you have a new condiment that you can use for glazing proteins and as a flavor enhancer and a natural source of sweetness. See you next time!